Hi, I'm Lia.
And I'm Emily.
And we're from liagriffith.com.
And today we are going to show you 16 very pretty Valentine's Day crafts.
And this includes crafts for the kids. So let's start with those.
First off, we have these paper cut animal hugging cards.
You can place a little message inside, or it would be a perfect place for a gift card.
And these look really nice, just like this.
Next, we're bringing back an old favorite, which are these heart stitching cards. And you know what? I think these are actually fun for adults as well.
Definitely. Another craft that's both fun for kids and adults is this Valentine's Day Advent Calendar.
Emily put in so much detail on this adorable card, and there's also a set of prompts that are included that you can put inside each window and door.
You can also customize these and write your own prompts.
And I can see using that year after year.
For our felt Stuffy this month, we have the felt axolotl.
And who would have thought how cute that would be in felt? Of course, they are cute in real life too.
If you haven't heard of these little critters, I would definitely recommend looking them up.
Another cute felt craft are these felt heart boxes. And of course, you can fill these up with any sort of goodie or note.
Another felt craft is this felt pouch purse that I made with macramé cord, and it's got a little pouch to put treats or notes in.
I can imagine you wearing that as a little girl. I can see why you wanted to make it.
Mm-hmm.
And this felt project can be for Valentine's Day or any birthday. You can customize these cute little crowns and wear them all year.
I feel like royalty. And for our pom-pom lovers, we have these adorable heart-shaped pom-poms with wooden beads, and this is a really easy craft.
And in the tutorial, Megan will show you how to shape these pom-poms into hearts.
Megan also designed these heart-shaped macramé keychains.
These are mine. I'm taking these home. I love the texture of this knot, and Megan does tell me that this is perfect for the beginner.
And another great project for beginner fiber artists are these upcycled flower embroidered jeans.
This project is perfect for adding any extra fun flair to any piece of clothing, and I really love how they look on denim. For our craft camp video this month, Emily is going to teach you how to make this adorable felt ball garland that looks like flowers.
This just brings a little bit of sunshine into any room. And of course, Valentine's Day wouldn't be complete without a carnation, so we designed these felt carnations with a lot of detail, and I think they just look perfect in a vase.
And of course, they will last year after year. The perfect paper plant for Valentine's Day is this adorable string of hearts. And this is quite easy to make. There's a full step-by-step tutorial.
And if you're anything like me and you have a little bit of trouble keeping the string of hearts alive, this paper plant is perfect for your collection.
For our paper flowers this month, we have 3 gorgeous options, and I think they look so beautiful together.
We're starting out with these paper rose hips, and these are made from cardstock with our paper spun eggs and quite a bit of color added.
Then we have this beautiful garden rose. This is another variation of a rose. It's made from double-sided paper, but what makes this one really special are these stems of buds and leaves.
And for our member make this month, we are going to be making this double tulip with all of this gorgeous color and detail.
I think this is probably our most realistic detailed tulip that we have on our site, so I'm very excited to have Megan teach me how to make them.
We hope that you're as in love with this collection as we are.
And remember that all of the templates and tutorials for every single one of these projects can be found at liagriffith.com.
And all of these tools and materials to make these can be found at feltpaperscissors.com. We'll see you next month.